standing in the parking lot, and it's a very easy hike here at Lost Creek Falls. From the parking lot, you can either go down to the bottom of the sinkhole, where you can find the entrance to the cave and the bottom of the waterfalls. But if you want to see the top of the waterfalls, you have to head up in this direction to see the origin of the waterfalls. Hello, I'm Scotty.
Hey, I'm Melinda, and we are Simple Life Big Adventures. Today, we are at Lost Creek Falls in Sparta, Tennessee. Sparta is located in White County, and White County is known for having more sinkholes than any other county in Tennessee.
And this is a very impressive sinkhole. It is about 100 yards wide, and behind us, up at the top, is a cave. Now water flows out of this cave and over the falls. Once it hits the bottom of the sinkhole, the water just disappears right through the ground.
Yeah.
About 100 yards away from me in front of us is a cave entrance, and it is one of the most impressive cave entrances in Tennessee. Now, a mile back inside the cave is another waterfall. Now, it is debatable as to whether this water behind us supplies the water for the waterfall inside the cave, and I don't think anybody knows for sure.
No, but they're both beautiful, and we're going to take you on a hike. We're going to show you Lost Creek Falls, and then we're going to show you the falls at the back of the cave.
The cave has approximately 7 miles of napped passages, and from here you can also hike the Virgin Falls, which is about an 8-mile round trip. Virgin Falls is also very similar to Lost Creek Falls.
Ooh, I wish I could feel the cool air blowing out of the cave. Lost Creek Cave, a permit is required to enter the cave. It's easy. You just go online and you sign up for that free permit, but make sure you have it. The rangers are going to check for it. We've got our headlamp. We've got extra lights to light up the waterfall in the back. Let's go explore this cave.
Just for the record, they do monitor everyone that goes inside this cave. This is amazing. Did you find your cricket?
Yeah, here it is. See it right there?
Mm-hmm. All right, you ready to do this? Be careful. Looks like you made it without any problems. Okay, I will.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we know we're getting close because we can hear it from here, but we got a little climbing to do.
Going a long way.
Ooh, oh my gosh, wow. All right guys, this is the most difficult part of the hike here inside the cave. We've got to climb down there. It's pretty challenging. Of course, we don't have no equipment. I don't think any equipment's really needed to climb down. We've done this before. So let's get Melinda.
Here, I'll hold your hand.
You
Come
might
on.
need to. It is challenging though. All right, wave your light at me. Wave your big light. There she is, way down there. All right, now it's my turn.
Can you hear the waterfall? We're really close. While he's working his way down, let's look at the waterfall. Oh, not yet.
There's a challenge coming down that rock. I just slid. It was a little scary, wasn't it?
explored the base of the fall, we've explored inside of the cave, and now let's go to the top. Here we are at the top of Lost Creek Falls. Most of the water that goes over the top of the falls comes out of this cavern right here. Y'all, we have explored Lost Creek State Natural Area many times and we never get tired of it. We hope you've enjoyed our walkthrough with you today. If you're new to our channel, take a moment to hit that subscribe button below to see where we take you next.